your girl Tara's Yana, and if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, these bomb curls that are perfect, then just keep on watching. So first, we're going to start off by separating our hair in half, then brushing it out, taking a small piece, taking our rat tail comb, and combing it out. Then after that, we're going to take our curling iron and make sure the flap is on the bottom. And when it's on the bottom, that means you have to curl the left side of your head. So after you basically put it in the curling iron, I guess, going away from your face, you're just going to hold it there, make sure it really heats up, because the longer you hold it, the longer your curl will last. So once you have it holding there for about 15 to 20 seconds, you're going to want to let it go, but make sure it unravels in your hand, because you want the curls to stay as it cools, because if you just let the curl go and it's cooling down, the curls will start to drop. And this is what it should look like after you're done. Then we're just going to repeat the process by taking a section, combing it out, and curling it away from our face, making sure the flap is on the bottom. Curl it backwards, and after that you're going to let it stay for about 15, 20, 25 seconds. Let it go in your hand, and then boom, repeat until you're done. So ignore my wig cap that's sticking out in the bag, just act like it's not there. But basically, the higher I get up, I make the section smaller and smaller, because the front is what you're going to see the most. But if you have like more time on your hands, I would do all the pieces small. But see me, I was rushing, so some are big, some are small. But at the end of the day, it still came out right. So once you get to the top, just do the same thing, curl it around your head, hold it there, and then let it go in your hand, let it cool down, and then move on to the next piece. So after one side of my head is done, I'm going to take some of my Got2b freeze spray and just spray it all throughout the hair to make sure the curls last all day, all week. Then I'm just going to curl it up and pin it so the curls don't drop while I'm doing the other side. Now we're going to have the curling iron set a little different. We're going to have the flap on the top part of the curl, you see? It's on top, and then we're just going to curl it around, making sure it's going away from our face. And then basically just doing the same thing we did on the other side. We're just holding the curling iron different. So now that this side is done, I'm just going to spray it again with my freeze spray. Then I'm going to fluff everything out. And the way that I get it so voluminous is I take a wide pick comb, and I just basically kind of just stab my hair, not combing it, not really picking it. I'm just stabbing it in there, as you can see, and just fluffing it until I like it. So basically, I just finished the other half of my hair. And if you want to see how this makeup look, watch my previous video, because it will be up. Y'all feeling this. If y'all made it this far to the end, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell so you can be notified and you'll never miss an upload. And I love y'all.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly.